really gonna... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Yeah, I just so I know that...
It's from Alpha M.
Ah.
So I actually asked you if you could...
if we haven't.
Said it, but you didn't have.
Yeah.
So then this was the second option.
The solution, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you should have some adhesive or something in the front.
Yeah, because above 210 it just starts floppering. So, but
it's more for looks than anything else.
Yeah, well, we are getting our F87 kit ready actually this week. So by the time this video gets released, probably it will be available-ish for pre-order. I mean, the wing is, but the splitter not. Anyway, F87, the OG.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so the 370.
370, yeah.
370.
So it's the N55.
Okay, and fully stock engine.
Yeah, nothing whatsoever.
Okay, then it was actually me. I thought like, oh, we're missing torque. And like, I totally forgot it's like fully stock OG. Because like, when else do you get to drive a stock N55 car? It's been a while, because usually they're all like, by now especially, like kings of pops and bangs and you name it.
Yeah,
but
you shouldn't have that.
I agree.
If you don't like your engine, you should definitely have it.
Yes. No, in that case, yeah, no. We are in Yokohama's A52 tires, very, very sticky. RSL 29 pads and Evo R suspension.
Yes.
So basically a copy of, that's the old logo, that's the new logo, regardless. A copy of our M4 GT4. Because also Evo R and RSL 29 we used to run in that car. Could be RSL 1 and RSL 29 in the rear. Could be that we potentially test it occasionally here and there for a better pedal feel. But I know we had them. Anywho, anyhow. Other than that, we have pole positions, nice leather, harness bar, and anything else?
I got a road crates from, I can't pronounce the German word, Stallus.
Ah, Stallus.
Yes.
It's very, very, very good. And then, is that also Alpha? Or?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah. Well, I couldn't complain about the rear being loose, but then again, we were not going that fast, or as fast as I used to.
I actually took it on track this Saturday, and I adjusted the wing a little bit, and then I thought it went a bit loose in the front.
Yeah.
But I still have it that, and I didn't feel it at all at this stage.
What's the story behind this?
This is actually what's called Mayflower,
Okay.
Majblomma in Swedish. So it's actually like an organization that gathers money for like kids and so on.
Oh,
so
nice.
every May, kids are going around and selling these. So I wanted to have this on my.
That's very cool. I liked it. Very, very cool. Nice. Anything else?
Nothing special. I changed all the bushings on Powerflex back series. I got the like diff mount for double bushings to the subframe. Of course, the suspension is one thing, but besides from that, pretty stock. Yeah, nothing special. But yeah, I like it. I brought my 992 GT3 last year and drove it, and I definitely prefer this one.
Yeah, really? Okay. Well, everyone is something each to its own, and I mean, it's definitely not wrong, not bad, but it's different. This you can just throw around and not worry too much, I guess.
Yes, exactly.
And you do not drive it too fast to feel like you're going fast.
No.
In a way. So.
Slow but fast.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
No, very, very cool. Thank you very much for the lap.
Thank you.
And you guys enjoy the OG N55, non-comp, non-modified M2 that I thought was losing boost pressure, but it's just like something I haven't driven in a very long time. So actually, car is quite alright. Yeah. Alright. Track was closed for a while, so we're gonna have completely empty track to ourselves. And the wild G3 RS in front and behind of us. This is sort of throwback to the race car from the last 2 years. Come on, push. The M4 GT4, because it has also Evo R suspension, RSL 29 pads. Like the car is missing some power compared to stock. I don't know if it's me, but one, and I think I hear some whistles. Oh well. I think there's a boost leak or something. I'm hearing something, but I'm flat on the gas and there's not a lot happening compared to what there should be happening. Yeah, we barely got it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Something started vibrating pretty damn hard. I think the front lip or splitter that's mounted on it couldn't deal with the high speeds. You can see what's gonna happen here. Yeah, it's vibrating on the front. Yeah, that's why you have chassis mounted splitters. Yeah, the car doesn't react on the gas because usually I would help it to rotate a bit, but this is what it is. It was funny when I was standing in the traffic jam, sorry, at the track closure, I wanted to say something like, I have big hopes for this car because usually the stereotype for UK cars is that it's quite often not that great. Euphemism. Oh, there's the yellow. But my experience with Nordic cars, be it from Sweden, Norway, Finland, it's usually actually quite serious. But yeah, something is horribly off with this one. Let's see if we can do one more lap maybe after this with another car that the guys brought to me. AC off. Okay. No idea where is everyone. Coming. I don't have the power. It's my Corvette. The splitter is gonna start flopping around. Firewall. yeah, the verdict. The setup is alright. The brakes are good, suspension is good, but there's no power. And the front splitter is a hazard. So, yeah.